Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today is burger time. You cannot have a barbecue without having some awesome burgers. Never frozen, always fresh meat. Joseph D'Onofrio doesn't like frozen burgers. So if you're going to invite him to your barbecue, you better not make a frozen burger. So today, we're going to make two of my favorites here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
What's up, everybody? Jessica Paulson here, aka Sprinkles, from season 14 of Worst Cooks in America on Food Network.
Hey, it's Timmy Talk from Worst Cooks in America, season 14.
Hi, this is Kimberly D. Worthy from Food Network, season 14 of Worst Cooks in America and season 1 of Worst Bakers in America. And you are watching Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
What I'm going to do for you is we're going to get our burgers together. So we're going to take some stuff, put it to the side because we don't need it yet. Okay? Start with the meat. This is going to be my double stuffed cheddar burger. No seasonings, just a salt and pepper. You take the one patty, you flatten it out. These are fresh burgers, they were never frozen. It's 3 kinds of meat in these burgers. Get them from a restaurant supply store. There's brisket, chuck, and short rib in these burgers. Okay? You flatten 2 patties out. This is a double burger. You need 2 patties. You know what I mean? A little salt. A little pepper. Alright? Get the cheddar. Nothing fancy. Boom. Something for Frankie Meatball. Boom. Now you just want to clamp your sides together, guys. See, this ain't nothing fancy, but it is good. Alright, just double check. Make sure everything's crimped all the way around. Alright, we're gonna turn that over. Look at that. Very nice, huh? Now a little salt on top. A little pepper. Boom. Alright. We'll flip her over. Boom. Little salt. Boom. Little pepper. Boom. That's our double stuffed cheddar burger. We got the bacon on the side. Now this is going to be my Sopranos burger. Okay? You'll see it all come together. Just get your regular patty. Alright, pop her out like that. Just salt, pepper, boom. Burgers are just about ready. Now, what makes the Sopranos burger, sausage. Take the sweet Italian sausage. Alright, take it out of the skin, or the casing, whatever you call it. Make a patty. So now, make sure you keep washing your hands, wiping your hands off, because you got beef and pork. No cross-contamination. It's time to take it to the grill, cause it's burger time. So we're going to put that burger on first, and not the others, because it's a double burger, it's thicker. So we're going to let it cook a little before we put the others on. But I'm going to put them on soon enough, and you'll see the burger come together. Alright, it's been cooking on the side. We're going to give her a nice little flip. Look at this. Come to check out that burger. Alright, nice little grill lines on that guy. We're going to put our Italian sausage down, and we're going to put our other burger down. For the Sopranos burger. So it's very important that you watch your burgers, because you got to watch for the flare-ups. And you know what? It always reminds me of a Burger King commercial from back in the day. Like, check that out. Tell me that don't remind you of a Burger King commercial, huh? Look at the flame. Boom, huh? Flame broiled. I already got a dish called the Soprano Chicken. Check out the video. So I like to rename this burger after a good friend of mine that says he only likes fresh burgers. Since this is a fresh burger, and if you listen real close, you can hear this talk back there. You know what I mean? Oh, look at that. It's talking back. So I'm going to name this after a good friend of mine. I'm calling this from now on the D'Onofrio Burger. Okay? Joseph D'Onofrio. Check him out on Facebook. His comedy show, July 25th at 8 p.m. on Zoom. Buy your tickets, guys. Live streaming, global streaming. That's for my friends in Russia. That's for my friends in the Philippines. And for my friends all over the world. Check him out. Joseph D'Onofrio. You might know him as Young Tommy from Goodfellas. Slick from the Bronx still. You might know him as Vinny Maneri from the Wannabes. I'm telling you, check him out. He's doing stand-up. And he's got some new stuff, let me tell you. You know what I'm saying? That guy is good. Check him out on Zoom. Go to his Facebook page. The link is there. Share it. Buy it. Check it out. Roasted pepper. We're going to heat that up right there. That's beautiful pepper right there, guys. Just about there, guys. Get that roasted pepper. We'll flip her. Boom. There's plenty of ways to season your burgers. Get your Frankie Meatball barbecue rub. You can rub it on all your meat. I even put it in my burgers when I'm just doing my basic burger. You know, you don't want to play with your meat too much. You know what I'm saying? Put it down, you let it cook. I'm going to leave that on the grill for one more minute. I'm going to get ready, and then we'll build the burger of a lifetime. Stay tuned for the D'Onofrio Burger. You want to get some sharp provolone or regular provolone, whatever you want. I got regular provolone. The real recipe is sharp provolone, but I'm going to use this regular provolone. I'm going to put some on the sausage patty, some on there. The good part to a good burger is you want to toast your buns. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the buns on. I'm going to shut that. We got the cheese on. We want to melt the cheese, and we're going to close that a little. We're going to toast the buns a little bit, and then we're going to build the burgers on Cooking Frankie Meatball. Nice warm buns. Who doesn't like a nice warm bun, okay? Let's get this nice double burger here. And I'll pop that right there on the bun. Check that out. Boom, huh? Now, you got your burger on the bottom. The sausage on the top. And then you want to get your roasted pepper on the bottom of the bun. And then, boom. Look at them burgers. Huh? So, look, you want to get fancy? Let's trim that up, put some pepper on top, okay? We'll trim that up, boom, the pepper on top. To top it off, you need some mustard. Some mustard on this guy. We're going to close her up. Next is the double burger with the works. Stuffed with cheddar cheese. My bacon's pre-cooked. We're going to put that bacon right down. I pre-cooked it. Not pre-cooked. Fresher the better, guys, right? Look at that. 3 slices of bacon cut in half. Alright? 2 slices of tomato. Some pickles. Boom. My favorite hot peppers. I gotta have hot peppers with my burgers. Chili. Gotta have cherry peppers with my burgers, huh? I'm gonna give another piece of tomato. Some lettuce. You wanna put mayonnaise? You put mayonnaise. You wanna leave it the way it is? You leave it the way it is. Let's put this on top. Look at this burger. Alright? Look at that, guys. Look at that burger, huh? Look at that burger. You ready? Here comes the magic. Boom, the D'Onofrio burger. Burgers, huh? Oh, them burgers. You got your cheddar stuffed burger, you got all this good stuff inside there, huh? Guys, crowd pleasers every time, let me tell you. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, leave a comment, tell me what you think. I'm going to tell you next week, back by popular demand, my man, my mixologist, Dean. Jens, you want to take it over, my friend? Oh, there you go. Take it over, my friend.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the Forefathers to the Mad Mothers of Rock. They play my favorites, Twisted Sister, Ozzy Osbourne, Mach 22, Rat Rod, and lots more others.
Lots more others, guys. One more time, take a look at these burgers, guys. Award-winning burgers, let me tell you. Award-winning burgers. You gotta try it. You're gonna love it. James, let's tell them about the Frankie Meatball barbecue rub. Rub it